Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A boy was playing near a net. He wanted to hit a nest with his ball. His father saw and stopped him. His father said, "Kindness to animals is important."
Let's meet with new sounds. Let's do actions with me.
Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Nest, net, newspapers. Nest. Net. Newspaper. Dear kids, what do you know about the nests? How many eggs in the nest?
see you in the next lesson.